people. It's Valentine's Day and Feb 14th, 2020. And as of yesterday, I was watching this new show on Netflix called Love is Blind. Man, what a show it is. I mean, it's about these whole group of guys and girls who are, it's reality TV really, and who are put in this, they have to interact through, they're not allowed to see each other, just speak to each other. It's called a pod, both the guy and the girls are put in these pods, and I think they have to interact for a like probably a 1 week time frame or something. No anymore. I guess the agreement has been that any of the participants who come onto the show, within 40 days they have to agree. In case they they connect with someone, they have to agree for a wedding, so it's taking reality TV to another level really. So but amazing. There've been 10 episodes so far, 5 of which have were released on Netflix, another 5 are yet to come. But once you begin watching, and each episode is like literally 1 hour long, 50 minutes though is it's the minimum time frame, but it's addictive. Yeah, I mean, I once I began watching, I had to watch all of them at one shot. So I can't recommend it enough. It's called Love is Blind and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.